Practice ba yan ng bangko na magre-release ng 457 million cash? Hindi ba red flag na yan na dapat nire-report? Bakit hindi cheque? O manager's check? Bakit walang patakaran ang bangko na, teka muna, kasi pag may cheque, meron ding paper trail. Kaya cash. Kaya 500 million cash sa loob ng 2 araw. Hindi napapansin ng ating government bank pa ho ito.
Your Honor, hindi po ako kasi magtataka or mag-iisip ng negative since the funding is coming from the government and the DPWH.
As bank manager, it's hard to believe na hindi kataka na sa loob ng 2 araw, yung pondo ng gobyerno pwedeng ilabas ng kalahating bilyong piso na basta-basta. Cash. Sims Construction, Sally. Sabi mo, ikaw ay nagwi-withdraw ng, sa Malolos, Bulacan, Land Bank.
Yes, Your Honor.
Magkano wini-withdraw mo?
Kasi, Your Honor, hindi na, halimbawa 457, kung ano lang po yung available that day, hati-hatiin po yun.
Magkano nga yung isang transaksyon? 50 million? 10 million? 100 million? Cash. Wini-withdraw mo ng cash.
Yes, Your Honor. Ano po may withdrawal po ang 457
457 million. Pumayag yung bank manager sa 457 million cash. Wala kayong cheque? Checking account ba yun?
Cash po yun, Your Honor, na request ko po.
Paano pumayag yung bank manager na i-release yung 457 million cash?
Ano naman po, sa land bank naman po yun, Your Honor.
So land bank, bank manager.
Yes po.
Also, Lilibeth Lim.
Hello, Highway po.
Andito pala. Is she from the land bank? Malolos branch. Ma'am, can you join us? So, may arrangement ba kayo, Sally, sa bangko para pumayag sila ng may malaking transaksyon na gano'n na ilalabas?
Hindi po,
Please come forward, ma'am. Yun sa land bank.
Your Honor, papaalam naman po ako sa kanila. Bawa na po, may withdrawal po akong ganon. So, hindi naman po agad-agad yun ibibigay. May mga araw po yun na sasabihin na kasi kinukuha pa daw po nila sa ibang...
Kaya nga.
Opo.
Pero pangkaraniwan, yun yung pinakamalaki. 457 million isang araw.
Teka po. I-recall ko lang po ulit sa...
O ano ang pangkaraniwan?
Tanong ko po sa abogado.
50, 70 million?
Mga minsan po kasi kalahati. Minsan 200.
Million?
Opo. Minsan po 150. Depende po sa ano po. Kung ano po yung...
Kay Mr. Diskaya, ganun din ba? Meron kayong account sa land bank?
Yes, Your Honor, meron po.
Tapos dinideposit sa inyong account sa land bank yung pondo ng DPWH?
Your Honor, ano po, LDAP po. LDAP. Ibig po sabihin yung mula po sa DPWS pag binayaran kanila, papasok na po yun sa account mo.
Sa land bank?
Opo, nasa iyo na po yun kung gusto mong i-withdraw or
Yes,
panatilihin
yes.
na po muna doon.
So, kayo may checking account kayo? O nagwi-withdraw din kayo ng cash?
Pag kailangan pong bumili ng mga materyales na cash para po mas makamura, doon lang po kami nagwi-withdraw ng cash.
Practice ba yan ng bangko na magre-release ng 457 million cash? Hindi ba red flag na yan na dapat nire-report? Ang gusto natin malaman dito complicit ba ang banking system natin sa ganitong klaseng corruption?
The land bank is, once the transaction is more than 500,000, it will be automatically captured by the system and be reported as covered transaction report.
And
It's
that's,
automated po once it is over 500,000.
that's all you do?
At first, that is what we
Yeah,
are
that's the law,
doing.
but
Yes.
that's all you do. Wala ba kayong know your customer? Nagwi-withdraw ng 457 million, okay lang?
We have-
report lang na over 500,000?
We have due diligence and KYC as well upon opening up the account po, Mr. Chair.
So how did this happen?
In particular account po, it is, according to bank secrecy, we need to request for the consent of the, if it is, of the client.
Miss Sims, Miss
to buy-
Sally, okay lang siyang magpaliwanag? Under the bank?
Your Honor, paalam lang po ako sa attorney ko.
Waiver of your rights to under the bank secrecy law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, anyway, so you're amenable. Go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, we have a copy of the of the waiver that we can let her sign first now
Okay.
so that I can answer.
Yes, so can you have that done? Well, while we're waiting for that, what we want to find out is paano nangyayari na daang milyon, kalahating bilyong piso, parang pikit mata ang ating banking
Senator
system.
Pangilinan, for the information of the body, meron tayong kopya ng lahat ng ledgers ni Sims, ano? Ito, yung binabanggit yung 457 million, 2 araw po ito eh. Natik po 457 million, March 24, 2025, yung isang withdrawal, total in 1 day, July 3, 2025. Ito yung sinasabi ni Ms. Santos, parehong delivered do sa office ni Engineer Bryce Erickson Hernandez. No? Marami po rito, ibibigyan ko kayo ng kopya.
Yes, thank
At,
you.
i-reproduce natin. Marami po, merong withdrawal na 180 million, may withdrawal na 141 million, withdrawal na 299 million, withdrawal na 65 million.
Tsaka- yes.
Puro isang araw ito.
Tsaka puro cash.
Puro cash ito, cash. Actually.
Bakit hindi cheque? O manager's check? Bakit walang patakaran ang bangko na, teka muna, kasi pag may cheque, meron ding paper trail. Kaya cash. Kaya 500 million cash sa loob ng 2 araw. Hindi napapansin ng ating government bank pa ho ito. At most likely, alam ninyong government funds yung binayad doon sa kliyente ninyo.
Senator Kiko, bigyan ka namin ng additional 2 minutes.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Go ahead, Miss Lim.
As manager, we try to market the account for as long as they did not need it right away, so they can still maintain it with Land Bank. Then that amount that it maintained for for days before the account of Ma'am Sally called us and requested for a withdrawal.
Yes.
Then
pero-
upon receipt, upon knowing of her withdrawal, right away we informed her that we need to source fund for that we cannot automatically
Kaya
have
nga
that
2
fund.
days.
Not only 2 days, it took for that particular
No,
account.
this transaction was 2
Two.
days. Based on the 2 araw to put together
Ay-
yung 457 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
So hindi kayo nagtaka? Bakit cash? Bakit 457 million? At bakit 2 araw?
Your Honor, hindi po ako kasi magtataka or mag-iisip ng negative since the funding is coming from the government and the DPWH and knowing it's for the project. So, hindi po ako talaga nagtaka po.
Hindi ba common sense lang na 200 million cash for the project? Paano? Meron bang nagbabayad ng cash? Ano yun? Di ba dapat cheque?
Actually po, yung list of creditors is a passbook account. And yun po yung nire-report po nila. Then they have their
The principle behind yung 500,000 suspicious transactions is because, suspicious transactions. Kumbaga, so hindi suspicious transaction yung kalahating bilyon, 2 araw nilabas? Cash?
Your Honor, to be honest, kasi hindi ko po, I am not an engineer or you support every project. Hindi ko po alam kung ano po yung project na yun or whatever. Since, it's a deposit account. Yung depositor na po talaga yung nakakaalam.
It's
or
hard. Well, anyway, as bank manager, it's hard to believe na hindi kataka na sa loob ng 2 araw, yung pondo ng gobyerno pwedeng ilabas ng kalahating bilyong piso na basta-basta. cash.